Hey guys, today's video is going to be all about easy fall centerpiece ideas. For this first easy fall centerpiece idea, I just used a white enamel bowl. I filled it with fake acorns. You'll notice the acorns are in different colors. They're red and then dark brown, and then just in the middle is a candle. If you're looking for a more narrow centerpiece idea, maybe for a console or a kitchen island, or like where I set mine on top of the dresser, a sugar mold is perfect. These pumpkins are actually picks, and so I just snipped the pick a little bit and set each pumpkin in on top. I love using cake stands in unexpected places. It gives rise to your design, and on this one I placed 3 different candles with 3 different heights, and the bittersweet garland, I just wrapped it around a few times around the candles, and it made a perfect decoration. I wanted to add a little bit of fall decor on my nightstand, so I took this cloche and placed a black and white pumpkin under it, and I think it adds just a happy little bit of fall in my room. This centerpiece is simply a mercury glass pumpkin with some leaf stems around it. But it would be such a great idea if you have young kids to go outside and pick some fall leaves and place them around the pumpkin. I think it's so important to include your kids when it comes to decorating your house. I have a lot of fond memories of doing that with my mother. I really love a muted harvest look on a table, and especially on this white table. The metal candlesticks with just a little bit of gold on them, and then the gray tapers really pulls this whole look together. For another kitchen centerpiece, start with a really big cutting board. And you can see I placed a small little scale with a pumpkin on top, and then I have some books, and then I have a votive that I just glued some sticks all the way around it, and then tied a ribbon of twine. This is another great project you could do with your kids. And then my very favorite thing are my little mice. They actually stay out all year long. So for this next centerpiece idea, I used candles again. Found this really unique galvanized tray that had risers built into it. So I just set tea lights on top, and then it had plenty of room to add some really unique fall fillers. So what I chose, again, some acorns, and then I scattered some white pumpkins, some green pumpkins, and little pine cones in. This is just a very easy but elegant centerpiece. This centerpiece is something I wanted to place on my coffee table. My coffee table has a really dark wood tone, so the green magnolia wreath just really accented it. On top of the magnolia wreath, I've got a white pumpkin. Now this was a really fake looking white pumpkin, but I did a faux treatment to it. And if you'd like to know how to do that, just click on the link in the top right. For another coffee table centerpiece, I used this antique dough bowl. I put a tall candle in the middle and then just filled pine cones around it. You can see they're different colors and different sizes, and then I put some orange pumpkins in for added color. Another great way to use a wreath in a centerpiece is this is a tray I keep out actually all year long, but I placed a wreath in the middle and then put a white ceramic pumpkin on top. Well, I hope some of these ideas inspired you to bring a little bit of fall into your home. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because we're going to have another video out next week. And if you saw something you liked and want to know where I got it, I'll put a link below. I hope you have a wonderful day.